What's up, YouTube? I'm back under the bus. Yeah. Super great morning this morning. It's really cold, but the guys in the shop weren't totally booked today, so Max came out and welded my nuts in place for me. Yesterday, I got the cross member back where it needed to be. So there's the cross member. It was right there. So it's just back 16 inches or so. It's all bolted back in place, so that's all good. Max came out and welded my nuts in place. So, and then he came out with a tap and ran a tap through there. So super easy to screw those bolts in. I'm just gonna spray a little bit of primer on these nuts so they don't rust up too bad. And I'll be ready to push the tank back up under here.
Welded a little bit more than I needed.
So we don't have to we don't gotta get into the nuts. If you guys just help me get it up there on the stands, then I want to scoot this over so it's not. You see that flange thing there?
Mm-hmm.
So I want the mat to come back over here. When we come up through here, it's going to be shorter than that. So I want to go
You're
up.
going to be able to reach up above.
And from the ends, I can pull it back over easily. So these guys, if one jack stand underneath each end of this, should have me up where I need to be. Okay.
Yeah, once it's up there, it can't tip. So
Yeah.
and I can. Want me to stick this under there where you are?
So we're at 1, 2, 3. There we go.
More toward Randy a little bit. There you go.
Now we just need to go that way.
Forward.
Yeah. Oh, right there. Ah, that's beautiful. Don't anybody you're on YouTube.
Sorry, Shelley, you have to edit.
Now that's perfect. So now those mats. So I gotta jack this end up a little bit. Or can you just grab those 2x4s? How far is the throw on these guys?
I think you can get, if you put that hole up there and put the pin in it, you can get 2 inches.
All right, now we're above the hoses. Yeah, and I can scoot that over easily. And that's over.
You can't be very far from the hole, are you?
Now we're about ready.
If you put your mat where you want it, I'll hold it and you put the middle bolt in. One middle bolt on each side, and then you can move it around, jiggle. So just grab one and I'll lift it and you guys put that middle one in.
Here, do you have some over there? No, you need a split washer. I got it over here. It's almost there.
Up.
Yeah, and back way up. That's not going to make it because we're going to have to put the jack in.
That's gonna be good and tight in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Now, can yours go in, Colby?
Not quite.
Yeah, we need that jack.
Okay. So now you just gotta go straight up, right?
Yeah, I can totally do it myself now, guys. Easy job. Thank you so much. You gotta say something more editable than that, Chris.
Do you need that punch now?
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. Yeah, perfect, thank you. Just right there. Yeah, little beauty. Thank you.
Oh, so you're only using one hole?
I was gonna put two.
Yeah, I don't think you need it.
And then the welding the second one would have been down in the... Well, I have to wonder.
There's not a forwards and a backwards on that frame, right?
No. Now the only problem I got is I put the jack in the middle too far. I'm wondering if the other side will go in. I'm gonna crawl over there and look, but no. The worst case scenario, all I gotta do is move the jack over here. I just can't hold it up, and I'm right there, so this is all good. Power. Do it. Man, I'm gonna have to scoot that.
This one here looked close though.
Oh, it is.
So your fill will be able to come up over the frame.
It can duck right below that, it looks like.
Too tight till you make sure.
Good idea. Okay. On the back.
So when you bang on it, you're moving it instead of just bending like it.
Great advice. Thank you.
Put all your bolts in before you tighten it.
Okay guys, I've got it up in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but yeah, there you go. That matting is squished up to the top of the tank, and there you go. See, it turns the corner there, so it's hitting those brackets up there, and it's got the tank trapped in there. My inlet and my outlet things are all clear and accessible now. It looks like the tank's hanging up in the air there, but it's not. Well, it is a little bit because the tank bottom's not flat, but it's got that 3/4 inch plywood in the bottom, and then I got the cross pieces and my hangers. The nuts welded on the inside, so the one mistake I made was the holes on these hangers out here should have been slightly oversized so the bolts could go through them easier. Got a little bit of help from the guys in the shop this morning. That's really awesome. Max came and welded my nuts in, and Chris and Colby came out and helped me get it up in position, and then I just jacked it around a little bit. So my water tank, it's a 100-gallon tank. It's officially installed. I got my frames all primered and painted. I primered inside where we welded the nuts. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. This is a great day. That thing's been laying around and getting pushed around in and out of the way for a few days, and the tank is, this is a working shop, so stuff that's not going into something, it gets in the way. And then you end up chasing it around to keep moving it. So it's super awesome when it's installed. I'm excited. I'm happy. Feel really good about having it trapped in there. I mean, I could have put straps around it and strapped it down, but they had that belting as surplus material here, so I thought, well, actually Joe suggested the belting, so it's awesome, Joe. Thank you. And yeah, I am stoked. I can't help but think that that tank was made for this size of frame, because I'm talking to the guys here and they told me that 34 inches is a pretty standard truck frame width, and with this size of C-frame, that had 3/4 of an inch to spare on the inside. But for whatever reason, it's a really economical use of space, and I'm really happy about that. So take that project off the list. I can plumb it up whenever I want. It's officially done. For all you guys that stayed clear to the end of this stuff, way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have love in your life today. You have to go look. You can't spoil my surprise.
Okay.
Go look up under there. I was just cleaning up all the mess.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh wow, you have it up under there.
It's in, baby.
It's
we got
in.
water.
We got a water tank.
We got a water tank. Give me 5.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Everybody helped me this morning. It was a little slow in the shop, so I got everybody gave me some hand.
Sweet.
It was really nice.
God, that is a perfect fit too, huh?
Yep.